Kiss me, Klava. Take a bag or just sit and watch. You don't need money, you just need to want. This is my life, life of Klava. This is my life, life of Klava. Don't forget.
Well, I'm trying to understand right now what I want to take with me. This one, or backpack, which I always do. This is actually my first time I took the luggage, not the backpack. It's okay right now. I think it's even more comfortable. As you can see, this hurricane incredible. Anyway, I'm in Bangkok.
Footsteps echo, shadows in the breeze. Golden hour dripping, melting through the trees. Backpack heavy, dreams stack high. Chasing horizons, carving the sky. Heartbeat thumping, maps in my...
I almost got to my apartment and the view is not so beautiful. Anyway, I see 7-Eleven. That makes sense. Can't wait to eat, to drink. Got to the room and I guess I'm gonna go to sleep for a while. Take a shower.
solo, solo, let the journey be.
Okay, room tour. This is it. I finally got here. Well, almost on the floor, but I guess it's clean. I have a couch, table, floor, but I have read there is like slow Wi-Fi and I forget to ask. Oh my god. Is that Richmond? Please. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh no.
Fame.
Oh.
That's a fame.
No,
oh my
No
gosh,
way.
that's a fame.
Oh, hold on, I need to do oh. Yeah, fine it up. Bring something.
200 baht, 200 baht, check hand, check hand.
Oh, jeez.
Мастер-класс.
Мастер-класс по фуджобу.
The technique how to swing.
Я в Грузии 3 года прожил еще.
Big บอกมีด้วยนะ
Okay.
This guy
You tired? It's 2 more minutes.
this is birthday
It's your birthday.
U-turn? Not yet.
Chiang Mai, only in Chiang Mai.
Where I can follow you?
Come with us.
not like open the page
Why?
because I just have video first something prepare for the workflow like 6 months
It's getting crazy. It's getting crazy. Getting crazy. Get up. Come on. Content. Also, she got content for this.
The flight that's from here to here. Love to watch like now, just like organizing.
Real quick update. Today was the day of workshops. Oh, don't look at my clothes stuff. I took 2 classes. I really love the first class. I took a lot of information from that class. It's my second time taking the class of Jet. Is it his name like that? Yes, Jet. So yeah, and the second class was from Outrage. It's my first time taking his class, and I think it's really cool to take classes from different krumpers from different countries, because it is so different. I mean, like, you can learn this from, for example, Filipino guy, and you learn about the feelings from American guy, which are Americans love feeling stuff or stuff like that. Then we go to eat, and it was a lot of food, and I ate a lot because I was so hungry, because I didn't eat the whole day appropriate. I mean, like, I ate some sandwich or roll, and it was it. So yeah, I took a lot of food. I hope I'm gonna be okay tomorrow morning. The bed is not soft at all. It feels like I sleep at the floor. This is the price. It was really cheap. Anyway, it's okay for me. I'm gonna stay here today and tomorrow, and then I'm gonna move to the central area in Bangkok, because I want to explore the city. Last time I didn't. Oh my god, like, this city, Bangkok, the first video of my channel is from Bangkok, and I finished my year. I guess that's gonna be my last trip in different countries this year, or maybe not, who knows. Maybe I will go to Korea, which I really want to. Yeah, we'll see. What's wrong with my eyes? I don't know, like, a lot of people tell me that my eyes beautiful. Nobody told me this before. They are the same, blue as always. Good morning. It's actually already afternoon, I would say. Oh, where's my face? I'm going to have a breakfast. Not breakfast, I would say lunch, because time is almost 2, even if it's not 2 already. I'm going for the breakfast, aka lunch. Блин, я такой отвратительный завтрак скушала.
Suitcase dreams in my hands, let's roll. Airplane wings lifting up my soul. Passport ink, pages on the scroll. Solo steps on a worldwide stroll. City lights flash, they pulse and they gleam. Street markets buzz like I'm caught in a dream. Backpack strapped, I'm chasing.
I'm going to exchange my money, and here's like a park I didn't know about. Oh, it's Old City Hall. No. Airport. Concrete. Anyway, it is 1 hour before the battles, and I'm going to change my mind. I don't know if you hear me at all, but I don't know why I'm not going that way inside of the park, and I decided to go on that way. Weird. Anyway, that is so cool that at the event they made a t-shirt for each participant with a number just in front of you. So you pick a number and they're going to print a t-shirt for you. Just in front of you. Oh, I think I got them to the point. Here we go. It's over there. Yeah. See you later.
Right and left.
Yeah, okay, let's do this.
Okay, so if judge chooses like this, okay, then you win. Like this. Let's go.
Quên mất rồi, có quá mà Quân.
You find the McDonald's?
McDonald's?
McDonald's,
Yes.
yeah.
Big tasty. I want a big tasty. I just want to go to eat big tasty. And that's it. What do you want to eat?
Мне нужны шмотки скинуть.
Everything.
Ну тогда да, зайди домой, понимаешь?
Dog?
Тогда мы тут шутки подожди.
Dog meat,
Dog meat? Like
cat
it?
meat, okay, dog meat and cat meat,
Ебать, все закрыто,
mouse
Ром.
meat,
Не,
dried
так
meat.
работает.
Смотри.
Damn. Why? And I don't have any medicine with me.
Yo, I got sick and I was terrible. I had like a really high temperature. I think it was like 38, maybe higher. I felt so bad. Didn't sleep till 5 a.m. or something. I was a bit scared and I need to change my hotel. Yeah, nice trip.
Echo steps on a desert floor. Win some secrets from shore to shore. Heartbeat sync with the bass it sways.
I just got in. The weather's good. The view is not so perfect, but it's good. All I want to do right now is just drink hot tea. And I'm so glad I have this teapot. And I have tea, oh my gosh. That's all I need right now. So I'm finally decided to go out for a little bit because I wanna eat. I'm kinda starving right now. I need to eat something real, you know, something big. I don't know what yet, but I'm gonna see. I'm gonna go to check out the street where I'm staying, and hopefully I'm gonna find the food. I still didn't feel well. I still
still don't feel well, but what else? What else I can do? Why am I always picking the places where it's like a lot of constructions, noises, and it's supposed to be in the center? But I guess it's not. Empty. Well, I guess it's gonna be okay. I am, as always, trying to find the best way with no one on the street and dirty stuff, like suspicious people, something like that. Oh, nice cars, by the way. And actually I like when it's a bit quiet. Let me check the maps because I'm not sure if I'm going right. Go this way. It seems like a party. I like this street actually. It's just me on the streets. During the daytime, but not in the night time, and especially if it's raining. If you get sick, I gotta go home.
This is my life, life of Klava. Don't forget to subscribe.